Hello, everybody. I am Esmeralda. And how is everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. Yes, yes. Today we are getting ready for a meeting to see about adding things to do. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Well, Ed, isn't that right? Yes, it is. We gotta have some stuff to do. We gotta have some dancing. Look at my moves. Yeah. We're gonna do it. We can. This is the way to do it, man. We need things to do here. That's all there is to it. So, we've got to go talk to Aunt Charlotte and Uncle Milton to see what we're gonna do. Gary is not gonna be at the meeting today. Nope. Because he is gone swimming. A cat going swimming? That's what I thought too. But you know, he's got a point there. He's got a point. Oh, okay. You ever heard of a cat going swimming?
Yes, my cat does.
Wow. Where have I been? And I thought I was an
In La La
animal.
Land.
I thought I was the animal whisperer. I guess not. Whoops. Excuse me. Esmeralda, do you have any snacks? What? Do you have any snacks for my belly? No, I don't have any. I think Charlotte's gonna have some when you guys go to the meeting. Oh, that would be so cool. Yeah. So, everybody make sure you come over to the meeting. It's gonna be on a video, and